Hi guys, in this video we will discuss in short the two node-taken applications, Notion versus Obsidian nodes. So we are gonna go ahead and look at both of these node-taken applications to see if Obsidian is a much better option compared to Notion. Obsidian is a powerful knowledge base that works on top of a local folder of plain text markdown files. Notion is all-in-one workspace, one tool for your whole team. Write, plan, and get organized. Main differences between Notion and Obsidian. Notion adds new pages into the workspace where a sub-page can also be added inside it. And it also allows the backlink feature to link two pages. An added feature for the same is that the pages or sub-pages can be marked as favorites or can be easily accessed by the left bar present, while comparatively, Obsidian adds new pages into the vault, which by default gets automatically saved on the device. Notion acts as a personal database that helps the user to track down all the office notes, class notes, projects, etc. While on the other hand, Obsidian works as the second brain of the user because the app is designed in such a way that it mimics how the brain links the different things together. The Notion has many features, like it provides various templates to work on. The users can choose them from inbuilt templates the community added, or can use customized ones with third-party Notion widgets. It can also use as a task or project management tool. Also, it helps in viewing more than one page in the multiple view option. On the other hand, Obsidian provides two amazing features. One of them is backlinking, which helps in linking one or more notes pages. And the other is the graph view, which shows the links between the particular nodes. Notion allows to share its workspace with others, and participants can be invited. The user can also tag the tasks and projects with the other name, while on the other hand, Obsidian does not allow its vault sharing, but allows file in text or PDF format to export. Notion and Obsidian both are applications that are meant for taking down notes, tasks, or projects. Both apps comes with the dark theme mode, which reduces the emission of blue light, but in Obsidian, along with dark theme, an additional feature of translucent mode is present. In my opinion, users looking for project management, task manager, and personal database must opt for the Notion app, while users wanting a proper graphical view, backlinking, and a complete offline mode may opt for the Obsidian app. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.